Hello everyone, this is Moses from Out There Gardens. I'm just harvesting for a fruit salad for a pool party tonight. I got a lot of my Babcock peaches are almost ready, but the donut peaches, as you can see, there's a lot of issues with a few of them. Oh man, a lot more than I thought. But I cut this tree back. I did a video a long time ago and I forgot to upload it. Oops, sorry for the glare. You see how I cut half the tree? It's gone. There's only 2 main branches now because I couldn't handle all the fruit. There's hundreds of fruit. I couldn't handle it all. But yeah, so there's a lot on here. So I'm gonna collect as much donut peach as I can. Babcock is not ready, but the Santa Rosa plums are falling. So you can see them right here. Apricots, there's a few left. You can see it. For anyone that's new, this is a 4-in-1. I purchased that way. One died and I had to re-graft the Babcock right over here. That's my graft long ago because the Babcock was dying. I cut a branch from a tip and re-grafted so I don't lose the 4-in-1. This is a nectarine, plum, apricot, and peach in one tree. But yeah, so I got to get back to work, start picking. Always try to pick your fruit early morning. The reason why, if you pick during the end of the day, the fruit is warm. So when you pick it, it's going to ripen faster off the tree. So if you want to have it last a little bit longer on your counter, other than eating it right away, pick it in the morning so they're still nice and cool. All right? Oh, that's so much fruit, and I thinned so much. Look at all that. Babcock peaches, really big peaches. Not much flavor, but really sweet. Really sweet and large. There's a little bit of flavor, but not as much as the yellow peaches. That has more acid content. A good balance of acid and sweet. This is just mostly sweet. All right, everybody. Happy gardening. Bye.